Today, I'm going to give you a review on Laurel Agency. Guys, this is an incredible agency that not only I've been using, but hundreds of thousands of people have been using and benefiting from. So let me show you exactly how Laurel Agency can help you. Guys, their website is laurelagency.co. The link is actually going to be down below so you can go over and have a look yourself. But this is a very cool agency. Get a bulletproof solution which don't know limits at scalability with Laurel Agency Instance. Guys, we're going to learn more as we go through this. But as you can see, as these are toggling through, no more TikTok, no more Google, no more Snapchat ads restrictions. Ad restrictions are the key factor why businesses do not succeed. You can see here the February alert. Has your agency stopped providing agency accounts? We have a solution, okay? You can contact them, get your Meta agency account with no spending limit in 24 hours, okay? If you spend more than 10K, you can actually get your account totally free, guys. People are utilizing this all day long. Now, the agency ad accounts for boundless advertising, okay? Thanks to these ad accounts, you can run ads without restrictions or spending limits. They got the biggest out there, guys. The 4 biggest that you can use: TikTok, Snap, Meta, and Google Ads. Don't worry about trying to find your partners in here. So get your Facebook ad agency account. The daily and spend limits, okay, if you want to spend 5K a day from the first day, you can do that on their agency ad accounts, no warm-up anymore. So guys, there'll be no holds barred advertising on your key platforms without ad account bans. And guys, the reason this agency was even put here is because most people are actually using ads the correct way and still going through these banned protocols, which is stopping them scaling their business seamlessly. That's the solving factor that Laurel Agency can do for you. You can become unrestrictable here, okay? While you're advertising, you may face many bans like I spoke about. Bam, 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 of all your different Facebook page, Instagram page, Snapchat, everything, okay? But here, Laurel Agency, your ads are actually effortlessly and transparently correct. They are going to work for you. Hence, you'll never lose your pixel data again. Your business will not lose money by sudden interruptions because of account bans, and you will definitely not have to relocate all of the BMs, ad accounts, and pages anymore, guys. Okay, scalability is fine as you can have unlimited social media ad spending. Ad counts don't need any warm-up, and you can scale at any interval from day one. This is all under one roof. You don't need to go to different platforms to find this. All in one roof to save you marketing spends on trying to jump around different platforms. If you want to schedule a call, guys, hit this button. Okay, there's loads of testimonials on here, guys. I am one of them as well, including all the people you see on here. Real testimonials. Now, their partners, like I spoke about, are the biggest in there. So if you want to run your ad yourself without unlimited scalability, okay, you can actually get a free ebook just by putting your name into here. They're even willing to send you a free ebook just to say, look, this is how you can start. They're not here to try and take you away from it. No, they're trying to save your scaling business. Now, some of the multi-pros here, okay? You get daily ad spend limits. You want to spend 5K a day from the first day, you could do that on the agency ad accounts, no warm-up. If you want whitelisted ad accounts, you get very strong, high-quality ad accounts to run various verticals with no problems and bans. Cheaper CPMs and CPASs, okay? Using trusted accounts from trusted subjects, they will give you access to better CPM CPAs. Easy top-up, so your ad accounts right away, 24/7, just by receiving a proof of transfer. Guys, if you need to jump into the chat section, all right, it's a live chat at the bottom. If you need to schedule a call, again, you can just hit that schedule call up at the top. Guys, they will even deliver a full setup for you, okay? You can see this is going to be completely free, and you can scroll through this ebook, going through all the different steps of how you can start running your ads forever in just very simple steps. Guys, like I said, they're here to help you go through this. It's really cool that they do this for free without even charging. It's a constant battle, guys, all right, due to the ever-increasing bans and restrictions on all of these. TikTok, Snap, Meta, Google Ads, doesn't matter which one. They're all increasingly banning people, even if they are sticking to the subscription, even if they're staying with the compliancy rules. Somehow they're still getting bans, which an ultimate factor is they cannot scale their business because of these bans, even though they've stuck to the policies. But rest assured, because we have a 24/7 support team connected to all of these, okay? Whether it is Snapchat, whether it is Google, whether it is Meta or TikTok, it doesn't matter. We have a 24/7 support team that can help you, provided on Slack in a private channel. Also, it's an easy top up, okay? Adding credits to your account, it cannot be easier. So you can literally top up your ad accounts almost instantly 24/7. They'll support bank wire transfers, Wise, Mercury, and crypto as well. And if you have a company and need the invoice, of course, you will get that for sure as well. There you go, guys. I cannot recommend this company enough because it's changed the way that I run my ads. It's changed my business and allowed me to scale, just like all the other testimonials you'll see, plus hundreds of people that haven't even spoke about it. So guys, if you want to get involved, all right? There should be a link underneath this video. Do me a massive favor though, hit the like button on this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, guys. Leave a comment to let me know when you're involved. I'll see you next time.